In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a calendar meeting invite in Outlook 2025, step by step. We'll walk through this in Outlook on the web so you can follow along from any browser. Start by opening Outlook. Head to outlook.com or go to office.com and choose Outlook from the app launcher. If you're prompted to sign in, use your work or personal account as usual. Once your inbox loads, switch to your calendar by selecting the calendar icon. Depending on your layout, you'll see it on the left sidebar or along the bottom. Look for the small calendar symbol. Next, create a new event. Click New Event in the top left corner of the calendar view. This opens a panel where you'll enter everything your attendees need to know. Begin with a clear title so people instantly recognize what the meeting is about. Pick the date and start time, then set the end time. If your team works across regions, double check the time zone shown. Keeping it accurate avoids confusion. If this will happen regularly, choose a recurrence pattern like daily, weekly, or monthly right from the repeat options. You can add a physical location, or if it's virtual, look for the online meeting option provided by your organization and toggle it on to automatically include a meeting link. In the description box, add a brief agenda and any documents or links your participants should review ahead of time. A little context here saves time later. Now add attendees. In the invite attendees field, type the names or email addresses of the people you want to include. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type. Select the right ones to add them. If you need to distinguish between must-have participants and nice-to-have guests, use the required and optional fields if they're available in your layout. When you're working with a larger group, it can help to glance at availability while you're here. Choosing a time most people are free will reduce rescheduling later. Before you send, scan the details one more time. Confirm the title, date, time zone, location or online link, and the attendee list. Make sure your agenda is clear and that any attachments are included. When everything looks good, click Save and Send. Outlook will email the invite to everyone, place the event on your calendar, and track responses as people accept, decline, or mark tentative. If you need to make changes afterward, open the event from your calendar, update